What's up, guys? All right, I can't turn my phone around and do forward-facing camera, but anyways, this is Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today we're working on an extremely hail-damaged roof on this 2018 Nissan Titan. This roof was actually written for replacement to be cut off and replaced by the local body shop. The customer does not want their 2018 pickup roof cut off, so we're going to go ahead and perform paintless dent repair on it. We're just going to show you a little bit of the footage here and the damage. Hopefully I got that phone lined up with myself. But, oh, you can turn it around, never mind. Well, anyways, I don't do live videos a whole lot, so I'm not really experienced with them, I'm going to be honest. Anyways, we're just going to go ahead and kind of look around here and show you some of the hail damage on this roof that we're going to be fixing. So, it's pretty extreme. As you can see, there's quite a bit of dents in it. We're going to be using today the Carbon Tech hail rod as well as the crossbar here hanging down. So what we go ahead and do is drop the headliner, and then that allows us access to the whole bottom side of this roof panel. And then we hang in this crossbar so we have something to leverage off of. And then we install a twin-tipped hail rod. This is what we're going to actually be using to repair this damage. So it's got a R4 with a cherry cap tip, so it makes for soft pushes to push up these big dents. And then we want to go ahead and flip around the rod and use this sharp point to really pinpoint and get up all those little itty bitty dents. So we're going to go ahead and basically install this rod like this, and then we'll come in here. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. So we'll just sit here, slowly push this out. This is really hard to do with one hand. But anyways, so this gives you kind of an idea of what we're doing today on a Saturday here. So go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and have before and after video footage of this up on Facebook and Instagram probably here sometime today or tomorrow. But anyways, stay in touch, guys, and good seeing you. Have a happy Saturday.